YouTube. What up, man? It's your boy Wavy Crockett, and it's another wavy day, man. It's another wavy day, episode number 5. I'm leaving my house right now. You see the pool? You see the pool? Leaving my house right now, on my way back to work, man. Just had a little bit of lunch, But ooh, you see him? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, you see him. But yeah, man, we're gonna talk today about overwoofing. So y'all know, man, this Saturday I will be 8 weeks woofing. And so I just want to let people know, man, I normally put a number, you know what I'm saying? You want to, be like, okay, I want to go this amount of time. I want to go 8 weeks. But if you can go past that, then why not do it, man? And I was talking to my homeboy Wave Chappelle. And you know what I'm saying, I normally always end my whoops. Just like you guys know. Y'all know. I always end my whoops early. And I just be like, forget it. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll say I'm going 10 and then normally end up going like 8 or so. But what I want you guys to really know is don't put a cap on your woof, but you don't want to over woof. You know what I'm saying? What is over woofing? Basically, when your hair is not laying down anymore, you can't use pomade, things are just not looking uniform. And when you over woof, man, you can really, you can gain forks. You're definitely gonna lose definition because it's basically an afro, quote unquote afro, being matted down. You know what I'm saying? Pushed down, and that means you're really not doing a lot of brushing. You're not getting down to the first layer of hair. And that's the main thing that you want to get down to when you woofing, man. That's why you always see Wavy Crockett using that hard brush, because that hard brush is where it's at, man. But you don't want to use it too early, and then you be messing up your scalp, and you over here getting mad at your scalp bleeding. But you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what over woofing is. But you want to make sure that you're brushing while you're woofing. You're keeping your hair moisturized. It's hot out here, man. It's 101 in Stockton, California today. And I ain't gonna lie, it's hot. I got almost 8 weeks of hair on my head, and shoot, I'm hot. I'm hot, man. Leave a comment below, man. What's the weather like where you stay at? Honestly, I want to know that too, man. What's the weather like where you stay? What is the weather, man? It's 101 out here in Stockton. But I just wanted to make this quick video, man. Y'all already know how the wavy days go, man. Episode 5, I believe. It might be 6. I don't know. Episode 5 or 6, but we on the road to 13K subscribers. I appreciate you guys for liking my videos, man, subscribing to the channel. Make sure you check out my live streams. I normally go live pretty much every single day, but we're gonna keep it pushing, man. I'm not gonna put I'm putting 10 weeks out there as my number that I want to hit, but if I can go past 10 weeks, I will. I might try to get into that 15-week wolf challenge that Sir Cruz and PV is putting on. Shoot, might mess around and jump in that. But that's pretty much it, man. Don't over woof, man. Do not. And another thing, before I even forget about this, man, if you do over woof, don't cut your hair too low. Do not do that. Do not cut your hair too low. Make sure that you cut your hair. If you coarse hair and you over woof, just get you a nice 2 with the grain or 2.5 with the grain, because you don't want to go too low, because it's really gonna jack you up, man. So make sure you remember that. So y'all already know what it is, man. Like. Let's show them off. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get that crown, man. Hopefully you can see it. Subscribe. Wavy Crockett signing out.